Are you a senior looking to make your time in the kitchen faster, easier, and safer? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the best kitchen gadgets designed with you in mind, tools that help reduce strain, improve efficiency, and make cooking more enjoyable. So, whether you're cooking up a family dinner or just preparing a quick snack, these gadgets can make all the difference. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And by the way, if you're looking to save time, get free 2-day shipping on kitchen gadgets and so much more with an Amazon Prime 30-day free trial. Links in the description below. Now, let's get started. First up, Arthritis Bottle and Can Opener. The Magic Opener Extreme makes opening soda bottles, water bottles, beer bottles, and pull-tab cans effortless. Designed for weak hands, arthritis sufferers, and seniors, this ergonomic tool provides maximum leverage with minimal effort. It features a built-in traditional bottle opener and a magnetic design for easy storage. Perfect for seniors, this durable opener is a must-have kitchen gadget. Price: $24.99. Next up, StirMATE Automatic Pot Stirrer. The StirMATE Gen 3 stirs soups, stews, risottos, and more hands-free, preventing burning and scorching. It self-adjusts to pots 6 to 9 inches wide and stirs for up to 10 hours per charge. With a quiet high-torque motor and variable speed, it's perfect for effortless cooking. Attachments available separately. Perfect for the elderly. Price: $78.95. 3. Fanwer Adaptive One-Handed Cutting Board. The Fanwer Adaptive Cutting Board is designed for one-handed use, making cutting, peeling, and grating effortless. It features food spikes, bread stops, and an anti-slip base for stability. Ideal for amputees, stroke survivors, and those with limited hand function, this kitchen tool enhances independence. Perfect for seniors. Price: $48.99. 4. JOYHILL Digital Kitchen Timer. The JOYHILL Digital Timer features a 3-inch LED display, easy rotating adjustment, and 3 volume levels for flexible alerts. With a strong magnetic back, anti-slip pad, and foldable stand, it's perfect for cooking, studying, or exercise. The energy-saving mode ensures long battery life. Perfect for seniors. Price: $15.99. 5. Dowellife Cut-Resistant Gloves. Protect hands from cuts with these high-performance, Level 5 cut-resistant gloves. Made from durable HDPE material, they offer a secure grip, flexibility, and comfort for safe food prep, oyster shucking, and more. Machine washable with a handy hanging loop for easy drying. Perfect for seniors. Price: $9.99. 6. Philips Go Zero Instant Water Filter Pitcher. Perfect for seniors, this easy-to-use countertop water purifier delivers clean, filtered water instantly with Micro-X Clean technology. The compact, fridge-friendly design features a rechargeable battery lasting up to 30 days, a flip-top lid for effortless refills, and a usage-based filter monitor. BPA-free, FDA-approved, and eco-friendly, it replaces 450-plus plastic bottles per filter. Stay hydrated with convenience and safety. Price: $41.99. 7. Kraus Bolden Kitchen Faucet. Perfect for seniors, this easy-to-use pull-down faucet features a flexible spring spout, dual-function spray head, and a smooth single-handle design for effortless control. The matte black, wear-resistant finish adds a modern touch, while the compact 18-inch height fits most kitchens. Pre-attached water lines ensure hassle-free installation. Built to last with a premium ceramic cartridge. Price: $161.45. 8. COMFEE Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. This 1500W fast boil kettle heats water in just minutes with auto shutoff and boil dry protection for safety. Perfect for seniors, its cool touch handle and one-touch lid make it easy and safe to use. Made of 304 stainless steel with a BPA-free design, it features a clear water window and a 360-degree swivel base for convenience. Price: $22.47. 9. Jar and bottle opener for seniors. This multifunctional tool makes opening jars, bottles, cans, and wine effortless. Perfect for seniors and those with arthritis or weak hands, its ergonomic design and retractable grip reduce strain. The built-in magnet allows easy storage on the fridge or microwave. Compact yet powerful, it's a must-have kitchen gadget for easy daily use. Price: $15.99. 10. Sangcon Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. This automatic grinder features gravity sensing technology for effortless one-handed operation. Perfect for seniors, simply tilt to grind without pressing buttons or twisting knobs. The adjustable ceramic grinder allows customized coarseness, while the blue LED light ensures precise seasoning. With a large BPA-free capacity and easy-to-clean design, it's a must-have for any kitchen. Price: $9.99. 11. Grabber Reacher Tool Foldable Pickup Stick. This heavy-duty grabber makes picking up items effortless, from coins to trash. Perfect for seniors, it reduces strain by allowing easy reaching without bending or stretching. The 360 degrees rotating head provides flexibility, while the lightweight aluminum frame ensures durability. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip for everyday use. Price: $15.99. 12. Grater Finger Guard for cutting and slicing. Keep your fingers safe while grating, slicing, and zesting with this stainless steel finger protector. Perfect for seniors, it offers a secure grip, making meal prep safer and easier without the risk of cuts. Designed for all hand sizes, it works with graters, knives, and slicers. Dishwasher safe and built to last. Price: $12.99. 13. Apple Peeler with 2 blades replacements. Peel, slice, and core apples in just seconds with this easy-to-use kitchen tool. Perfect for seniors, its crank handle requires minimal effort, making apple prep hassle-free and fun. The flexible blade reduces waste, and the compact size allows for easy storage. Includes a slicer, cutting board, and extra blades for long-lasting use. Price: $17.99. 14. Cozy BlueWater Dispenser. This portable water bottle pump makes hydration effortless with a simple touch switch, perfect for seniors who find lifting heavy bottles difficult. Made from safe, BPA-free materials, it features a USB rechargeable battery lasting up to a month per charge. Compatible with 2 to 5-gallon bottles, it's great for both home and outdoor use. Price: $13.99. 15. Maestri House Rechargeable Milk Frother. This handheld electric foam maker creates rich, creamy froth in seconds with a one-button operation, making it perfect for seniors who want barista-quality coffee without the hassle. The USB-C rechargeable battery lasts up to 2 months per charge, and the waterproof stainless steel whisk is easy to clean. Lightweight and portable for lattes, cappuccinos, and more. Price: $19.99. 16. Electric Can Opener. This one-touch automatic can opener effortlessly opens cans of various sizes, making it a must-have for seniors with arthritis who struggle with manual can openers. It smoothly cuts along the lid side, leaving no sharp edges, and features a magnet to lift the lid without mess. Compact for easy storage and safe to use. Price: $21.99. 17. Pan Buddy Vertical Pan Handle Attachment. This innovative tool adds leverage and support, making it perfect for seniors who struggle with lifting heavy cookware. It keeps the wrist in a natural position, reducing strain while providing a secure grip. The heat-resistant design prevents burns, eliminating the need for oven mitts. Easily attaches to most pan handles for safer, more comfortable cooking. Price: $19.99. 18. Cordless Rechargeable Electric Knife. Designed for effortless slicing, this rechargeable knife is a game-changer for seniors who find traditional carving tiring. The cordless design offers maximum mobility, while the fast-charging battery provides up to 70 minutes of continuous use. With sharp stainless steel blades, it easily cuts meats, bread, and more. A simple trigger ensures safe operation for easy meal prep. Price: $39.99. 19. Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards for Cutting. Keep your fingers safe with these premium 304 stainless steel protectors, a must-have for seniors who love cooking but worry about accidental cuts. Lightweight and comfortable, they fit like a ring and adjust to any finger size. Durable and easy to clean, they provide 360-degree protection while slicing, chopping, and dicing. A practical kitchen tool for all. Price: $12.59. 20. Kitchen Mat Set of 2 PCS. Enjoy cushion comfort with these non-slip, absorbent kitchen rugs designed to reduce foot fatigue. Perfect for seniors who spend long hours cooking. Made of durable polyester with a rubber backing, they stay in place on hardwood or tile floors. Easy to clean with a vacuum or washing machine, they protect against spills and scratches. Ideal for any busy home. Price: $35.99. 21. 4-piece non-toxic cutting board set. This BPA-free plastic cutting board set is perfect for seniors who want a safe and easy-to-use kitchen tool. The set includes a durable organizer to keep your boards tidy and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Ideal for food prep and charcuterie boards, it's a thoughtful gift for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. Price: $29.87. 22. One-handed gadget to secure any item. This soft, sticky mat is perfect for those with weak or injured hands, allowing them to open jars and bottles effortlessly with just one hand. A must-have adaptive equipment for seniors and those recovering from injuries. It securely holds containers in place while reducing strain. Price: $5.99. 23. Automatic Soap Dispenser. This touchless soap dispenser offers 5 adjustable soap levels, making it ideal for the elderly with limited hand strength or mobility. Its hands-free, hygienic design ensures safe and efficient dispensing, minimizing cross-contamination. With a large 17-ounce capacity and sleek, waterproof design, it's perfect for both home and office use. Price: $25.98. 24. Alpha Griller's Meat Thermometer Digital Food Thermometer. This instant-read thermometer is perfect for the elderly, providing quick, accurate readings in just 2 to 3 seconds with a bright backlight for easy visibility. Whether you're grilling or baking, it ensures your food is cooked perfectly every time. Water-resistant and versatile, it's an ideal gift for anyone who enjoys cooking. Price: $9.99. 25. SOLEADER Plate Gripper. This gripper is perfect for the elderly, making it easy to handle hot plates and bowls without risk of burns or spills. Its anti-slip silicone padding ensures a secure grip, allowing you to safely lift hot pots, pans, and bowls from pressure cookers, microwaves, or air fryers. A set of 2 grippers makes it even more versatile. Price: $14.99. 26. Air Fryer Tray Extractor. This scald-resistant clip is perfect for the elderly, making it easy to safely and quickly remove hot trays and grills from the oven. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing strain on your hands while its plated surface treatment adds durability and style. Price: $6.69. 27. LORYERGO TV Tray. This versatile folding table is perfect for the elderly, offering adjustable height and tilt angles for ultimate comfort while eating or working from a couch or bed. Its crossbar provides enhanced stability, and the included cup holder adds convenience. Easy to assemble and store flat, it's the ideal solution for those with limited space. Price: $45.99. 28. Butterfinger Vegetable Palm Peeler. This ergonomic peeler is designed to make peeling vegetables and fruits easier for the elderly, with a comfortable rubber finger grip that prevents slips and accidents. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's perfect for peeling potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. The set includes 4 colorful peelers, offering variety and ease for everyday use. Price: $9.99. So, which of these kitchen gadgets caught your eyes? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.